Guys, it's Ryan. Today I'm going to be playing Silver Surfers and then some game from Safari. As you see, I got some free surfers over ready up. I'm going to be playing it. Say hi to my sister. Hey. Yeah, so my sister's going to be holding the camera while I play some Subway.
Yeah. I'm the assist.
Okay, let's do this.
And assist. And me
As you see my very high score.
Your high score is 180.
No.
Before it was
214,000. That's my high score.
Before it was 180.
Yeah, I should have done that. Fail! Everyone is a fail.
Yes.
I know you guys will be asking why don't we go for the coin ways? Because you can hit something and the police have to go after you. After that, you hit something else, done. Just pick up 2 jetpacks. Use.
Now you see, he got the skateboard.
Yeah, I'm trying to finish one of the achievement missions.
Yes, if you hit the train.
Stop talking. Dang it. How did that happen?
I don't know. Get that. Get the straw.
Really, you dropped the phone?
I just fell from my
It could
hand.
have broke. Another one. You are DJ Khaled. Another one. Stop trying. Do my tosin. I just need tosin. Another one. Another. I'm going all savage. At least I found out a way to get him away quicker. Stop! What the holes in it? Shasha had to look at Matu. What is this? Ooh.
Get the dolphin.
Stop. Okay. Well, we're done playing Subway. So now let's go to Safari. Stop. Okay. Safari. Okay, so this is a game shakers game. I'm gonna be playing the Psycho Beach Mummies. And as you keep Game Shaker. I have no idea how this is, but it's a good thing.
Where did you find that from?
I don't give a shit about it.
Where did you find this game from? the game for fun. We still have when we play it.
Nope.
We're not playing it. We know that.